truly is not enough hours in a day. I guess we should go out in that shop and work on that frame. First thing, we gotta put some blocks behind these wheels so it doesn't roll backwards when I'm trying to loosen these bolts for the drive shaft. There's 4 bolts that are holding this drive shaft down the rest of the way. 4 3/8 bolts. Sometimes they're hard to get out, but you gotta turn the drive shaft a little bit to get the wrench on there, or the socket. Second one. Oh man, that one's in there. And there you go, that's what holds the drive shaft in. Give it a little tap with a hammer. There it is, simple as that. Put it over to the steel for a minute. You're going to take these shocks off, need a 3/4 inch wrench, I believe. I got some wrenches, check them out. 3/4. One would say I have an OCD problem, but to me, it's nice and organized, and you can find everything you need, right, hon?
Yes.
A little trick to the trade is to put the socket end on the actual nut, because that's the part you're taking off. Hold the back side of the wrench. Make sure it's in reverse. Just simple as that. Wait till you see the new suspension we put on this. Better than these 50-year-old shocks. Hey, no, get out of it. Drop it. I don't think so. Almost tripped himself on the basketball. You know what I've been doing a really good job of lately?
Oh, what?
Not losing things.
Oh, yeah. Lately, you have been pretty good with that.
What the heck?
What are you doing now?
I'm taking off the bottom side of the shocks. I thought it was a bolt fit, once it's welded on. One shot, babe. Adios. Right now I'm finding center line of axle. I'm pretty much just eyeballing the axle tube. I mean, I probably could put a level across there. The level will give me a straight line of the axle this way. Where I think the center of the tube is. I got 39.5 inches, so it should be 39.5 inches on this side. Theoretically. That's pretty much right on the money. See that mark? You said the scribe.
Is that my Sharpie?
No, it's mine.
Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness.
You stand back here. You eyeball that. This right here with that. That's close. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just holding these in, but you gotta be real careful. You don't hit the frame here, because if we put a hole in the frame, we're gonna have to patch it. That's gonna be a pain in the butt. You got no oxygen.
Tanks are empty.
Oxygen's empty.